How to get student discount on Turkish Airlines. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To get yourself a student discount on Turkish Airlines, visit the Turkish Airlines website or use their mobile app. Select your desired flight date, destination, and passenger information. During the booking process, you will be asked to provide proof of your student status. This typically requires uploading a scan or photo of your student ID card or a letter from your educational institution. Turkish Airlines may review your document to verify your student status. It might take a while, so make sure to book your flight in advance. Once your student status is verified, the discount will be automatically applied to your booking. Then you may get 20% discount on domestic flight, up to 15% on international transit flight, and 20% between Turkey and the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. This is how you get the student discount on Turkish Airlines. So go ahead and check out your Turkish Airlines website today. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.